I am Melissa. Thank you for stopping by. Today I am going to show you what came in the mail today because I signed up a new distributor who qualified last month, which was November. I got this cute little box from SeneGence. There have been some awesome distributor sign up promos going on recently, and I got the lips survival kit. So how this worked in November was if you sign up a new distributor who places a qualifying order, which is 300 PV, they get this special promotion. And then as their sponsor, you also get the promotion. So this fun kit comes with the overnight lip mask. This is watermelon scented, amazing. Love this product. So luxurious. It will help just moisturize your lips overnight. You can also even wear it during the day if you want to. Okay, next up is a brand new product. This is the lip line corrector. So this is focusing around your lips, anti-wrinkle, gonna help with any of those fine lines around your lips. And a lip gloss. This lip gloss is Huckleberry. Pretty like hot medium type pink. Another lip gloss. This one is Rosewood. This is another pink, has a really pretty gold sparkle in there. A lip balm. The awesome thing about this lip balm is it does not have any wax. Wax will kind of build up on your lips. That is what is in your like lip smackers or a lot of the chapsticks that you would buy. Lip Sense lip balm does not have any wax in it. So this is a great product to wear. If you wear Lip Sense, you're not gonna have anything building up on your lips. And this is just like a clear, unscented, moisturizing lip balm. Also get a bunch of applicators, a set of different colored lip glosses to try in the sample sizes, and also the sample size of the conditioning polish, which is like a lip mask. It's exfoliating, it's really nice, it smells like cupcakes. And then another sample of the lip balm. So that is what came in the mail today that I got for sponsoring a new distributor last month. Just keep up and we'll see what other new distributor promotions will be coming in months, because we never know until that month. Right now in December, I have another video up showing you the new distributor promo for December. If you're interested in signing up with SeneGence and becoming a distributor, the link is below if you're ready to sign up, and I will contact you after you sign up. Or if you have any questions, feel free to get in touch with me below also, and I can hopefully help answer your questions. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe and leave a comment below. I hope you are having a fabulous holiday season.